Hi friends, lot of times you might have noted factory building is not owned by you. If it is your own, okay, it is in your balance sheet, it is in your fixed asset schedule, you have capitalized it, you have paid for it. But lot of times you say that why should I stuck my funds in the factory, which is so expensive? The plot is expensive, building is expensive, let me take it on rent. In such cases, your factory building is not owned by you, you have taken it on rent. Very good, perfect, you have saved the fund. What are you doing? You are paying rent on that. Okay, good. But now the question arises, what if the building gets damaged due to fire, flood, earthquake, anything? Do you think the landlord will spare you? Okay, fine, you were there as a tenant for so many years. The whole factory has fallen down because of earthquake or because of fire due to you. And the whole building has come down, what, maybe 10 crore. Go, enjoy. No, he's going to put a revolver on your head. Sir, pay me my 10 crores. Then only I'll let you to sit from my factory. Take your plant and machinery or the insurance claim, whatever it is. Why should I suffer for your things? So at the time of taking the building or rent, you must be very clear. The owner will take an insurance policy or you. Decide. It should be mentioned in the rent agreement that responsibility of insurance is on the tenant. For example, as a tenant, you say, okay, I'm responsible for the building. This shed I have taken, fine. It is worth, for example, 5 crores you have taken a valuation and all that, fine. Now, you must take RIV value because he will always say that make it now. So, present value is very important, not the past value. So present value plus again add GST value. Okay, your building your value for example 1 crore plus 18 lakhs GST. Okay, this is your responsibility. Take a policy every year, increase it. The sum insured every year because your rent goes up, property value, property superstructure value goes up. Maybe bricks, cement, iron, whatever it is, all that value go up. So every year you should increase. So you must take a proper insurance policy. What if the landlord says, sir, don't worry. I've given you on rent, you are paying me adequate rent, I'll take off. In that case, you are free. Okay. If there is a loss due to fire, flood, anything, the landlord will take insurance policy, he will pay premium out of his pocket. In case of any claim, he will lodge a claim. And he is the owner of the building. He has all the things to prove to the insurance company. Yes, sir, I am the owner of the building. These are my proof of my municipality, electric, these, that, what different ownerships, and he can take a claim. So you are free. Look, sir, I am paying you rent and responsibility is yours. What if both of you not take? You've already understood my words. It's very risky. What if both of you take insurance policy? He also takes, you also take. Fine. In that case, contribution will apply. Suppose he takes a policy for 5 crore, you also take a 5 crore. If there is a total loss, your insurance company will share half. If he is 1 crore, you are 2 crore, it will be in the ratio of 2:1. Fine. So insurance company is happy to pay the claim of the damage. So you must be very clear while taking most of the companies are noted in my lifetime as a salesman for last 35 years that people don't think, don't bother, and at the time of fire and all these earthquakes and all that, they are really into big soup. There are fights, there are unnecessary court cases, and they don't spare each other. So out of my experience only, I am sharing that whenever you take a building on rent, you must see that who is responsible for insurance. My experience is more than 50% people don't take a insurance policy at all. Neither the landlord has taken nor the tenant has taken. And maybe within the building also, within the family also, it may be possible. Building is owned by your elder brother or his wife or your wife, and you have taken the building on rent and you are running it. Within the family, fine. Take a call. Who will be responsible? Whether him or you. Fine. Take an insurance policy at least within the family. You have something to call back. Okay. In case of a loss, I am responsible because I am running the business and everything. It may be belonging to my brother's wife or my brother or my father or my mother, whoever it is. Doesn't matter. In the rent agreement, mention the clause that in case of insurance and all that will be the responsibility of the tenant. Fine. Fair enough. Now, these are the things which is very important for the sake of a building. Now, while the landlord has given you the building on rent, if there is a fire and all that, he can take policy for loss of rent also. He can say that yes, due to fire and all that, my rent is not coming because the building is and all that, and he has to get another place and all that. So loss of rent, so he can take. Even as a tenant also, as an owner also, you can say that this is my building. In case of this thing, fire and all that, I may have to take another place on rent. Sir, please give me coverage for it. Yes, that is also possible. But you must plan your risks. What are the risks involved? As a owner, as a tenant, you must plan all the risks and transfer the risk to the insurance company. They are your partners of loss, not in the profit. They said, okay, pay me only 50,000 insurance premium, I'm happy. I'll participate even if the loss is 50 lakhs or 5 crores, I'll pay you the claim. So they are your partners in loss, not in profit. Within the profit, okay, you are the partners, your own real partners and all that, fine. Or your proprietor, private limited company, whatever it is, you share the profit. This was going, sir, I don't want anything. I just want the small premium, and for that I am ready to become your partner for a loss. So you must give due regard to the insurance companies who are ready to take this. Their business is to buy your risk and for a small premium. That is they are very happy to pay a claim. I've noted in my 35 years of experience, insurance companies say, sir, find out how we can pay. Let us not reject a claim. Let us not repudiate a claim. Insurance companies are not interested at all. They know it will land up into litigations, court cases for years together. Their goodwill will get spoiled in the market and all that. People say, this company doesn't pay claim. Why should I take a policy from him? So they want to pay a claim, provided you've taken a proper policy. When you see taken a policy, there's a loss, you see the face of the insurance company, see the face of the surveyor. They're happy to support you. In my life, I feel that God could not have given me better profession than as an insurance surveyor. I go and help people. They get the claim. I think that is the best thing I can do in my life, that I'm helping somebody who is in trouble. That is why I've written this book, which is for the benefit of all the industries, all the people across the country, wherever they are. Let them take a proper insurance for building also. Thank you very much. This is Ram Gopal Verma. I'm really humbled that I am in a place to serve the country, serve all the industries, all the factory owners, all the building owners. I'm there to serve them. Thank you very much. Ram Gopal.